Hello, amazing future entrepreneurs. Starting your own business can be incredibly exciting and fulfilling. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and the chance to bring your unique vision to life. In this guide, we'll walk through the essential steps to get your business up and running. We'll cover everything from choosing the right business type to setting up your legal foundation, managing your finances, and getting the word out to your target customers. Remember, every successful business started with a single step. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe so we can bring you more. By taking things one day at a time and following these practical tips, you'll be well on your way to entrepreneurial success. Make sure to check out the description area of this video for vital helpful tools for you and your business. Are you ready to turn your dream into a reality? Let's dive in. One of the first decisions you'll make when starting a business is whether to offer a product or a service. This choice will shape the direction of your business and influence many aspects of your operations, from marketing strategies to customer interactions. Deciding between a product-based or service-based business can be challenging, but it's crucial to understand the differences and benefits of each model. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe so we can bring you more. Both have their own advantages, and it's important to choose the path that best aligns with your skills, passions, and target market. A product-based business involves creating, manufacturing, or reselling physical goods. This could include anything from handmade jewelry and clothing to tech gadgets or home goods. Product-based businesses often require significant upfront investment in materials, manufacturing, and inventory. However, they also offer the potential for scalable growth and the ability to reach a wide audience through various sales channels such as online stores, physical retail locations, and marketplaces. On the other hand, service-based businesses provide intangible services directly to customers. Think of fields like graphic design, consulting, coaching, or event planning. These businesses typically have lower startup costs since they don't require physical inventory. Instead, they rely on the expertise and skills of the business owner or team. Service-based businesses can offer more flexibility and the opportunity to build strong personal relationships with clients. They often allow for a more personalized approach, tailoring services to meet the specific needs of each customer. When deciding which path to take, consider your strengths and interests. Are you passionate about creating tangible items, or do you thrive on using your skills to help others? Reflect on what excites you and where you see yourself making the most impact. Additionally, research your target audience and assess the demand for your chosen product or service. Understanding your market is key to ensuring there is a need for what you plan to offer. Conduct surveys, interview potential customers, and analyze competitors to gather valuable insights. Once you've carefully weighed the pros and cons, you'll be ready to move forward with confidence. Remember, the choice between a product or service business is not set in stone. Many successful entrepreneurs start with one model and later expand to include the other, diversifying their offerings and revenue streams. The most important thing is to start with a clear vision and a solid plan. Whether you choose to sell products or offer services, focus on delivering value to your customers and continuously improving your business. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay committed to your goals, be adaptable, and always be willing to learn and grow. With the right mindset and approach, you can create a thriving business that aligns with your passions and meets the needs of your target market. In conclusion, whether you decide to offer a product or a service, the key to success lies in understanding your strengths, researching your market, and delivering exceptional value to your customers. Take the time to explore your options, plan carefully, and embark on your entrepreneurial journey with confidence. Once you've made your decision, embrace the journey ahead. With passion, perseverance, and a customer-focused approach, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and fulfilling business. Before you officially launch your business, it's crucial to establish a solid legal foundation. This foundation not only ensures that your business operates within the legal framework, but also provides you with the necessary protections and benefits that come with a formal business structure. One of the most common and advantageous structures for small businesses is the limited liability company, or LLC. The LLC structure is favored by many entrepreneurs because it combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. This hybrid nature makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of businesses, from solo ventures to larger enterprises with multiple owners. An LLC provides personal liability protection, separating your business assets from your personal assets. This means that if your business incurs debts or faces legal action, your personal assets, such as your home, car, and personal savings, are generally protected. This separation is crucial for minimizing personal risk and ensuring that your personal financial health is not jeopardized by business-related issues. This means that your personal belongings are shielded in case your business faces any legal challenges or debts. For instance, if your business is sued or cannot pay its debts, creditors typically cannot go after your personal assets. This protection is one of the primary reasons many business owners opt for an LLC structure. To form an LLC, you'll need to choose a state to register your business in, file the necessary paperwork, and obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. The state you choose can impact your business in various ways, including tax obligations and regulatory requirements. Once you've selected a state, you'll need to file Articles of Organization, which is a document that officially establishes your LLC. Additionally, obtaining an EIN is essential for tax purposes and for opening a business bank account. While it might seem a bit daunting at first, there are plenty of resources available to guide you through the process. Many states offer online portals with detailed instructions on how to form an LLC. Additionally, there are numerous online services and legal professionals who specialize in helping entrepreneurs navigate the complexities of business formation. These resources can provide valuable assistance, ensuring that you complete each step correctly and efficiently. You can find step-by-step instructions on the Small Business Administration website or consult with a legal professional for personalized advice. The Small Business Administration (SBA) offers a wealth of information, including checklists, guides, and templates that can simplify the process. Consulting with a lawyer can also be beneficial, especially if you have specific questions or unique circumstances that require expert guidance. By leveraging these resources, you can confidently establish your LLC and focus on growing your business with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a solid legal foundation in place. Section 4. Mastering your finances. Accounting essentials. Keeping track of your finances is essential for any successful business. Without a solid grasp of your financial situation, it becomes nearly impossible to make informed decisions, plan for the future, or even understand the current state of your business. Financial management is the backbone of any enterprise, and mastering it can be the difference between success and failure. From day one, make it a priority to set up a reliable accounting system. This system will serve as the foundation for all your financial activities. It will help you keep track of every dollar that comes in and goes out, ensuring that you have a clear picture of your financial health at all times. A well-organized accounting system can save you countless hours and headaches down the road. This will not only help you stay organized but also provide valuable insights into your business's financial health. By regularly reviewing your financial data, you can spot trends, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions that will help your business grow. Financial reports are not just numbers on a page, they are a roadmap to your business's success. Thankfully, there are numerous user-friendly accounting software options available, such as QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks. These tools are designed to make accounting easier and more accessible for business owners of all experience levels. They offer a range of features that can help you manage your finances more effectively, from basic bookkeeping to advanced financial analysis. These tools can automate many of the tedious tasks associated with bookkeeping, like invoicing. Automation can save you a significant amount of time and reduce the risk of human error. With automated invoicing, you can ensure that your clients are billed accurately and on time, improving your cash flow and reducing the time you spend chasing payments. Expense tracking and financial reporting. Keeping track of your expenses is crucial for maintaining a healthy bottom line. With accounting software, you can easily categorize and monitor your expenses, helping you stay within budget and identify any areas where you might be overspending. Financial reporting tools can provide you with detailed insights into your business's performance, helping you make informed decisions and plan for the future. Make it a habit to regularly review your income statements. Income statements provide a snapshot of your business's profitability over a specific period. By analyzing your income statements, you can identify trends, measure your performance against your goals, and make adjustments as needed to improve your profitability. Balance sheets and cash flow statements. Balance sheets provide a comprehensive view of your business's financial position at a specific point in time, showing your assets, liabilities, and equity. Cash flow statements, on the other hand, track the flow of cash in and out of your business, helping you understand your liquidity and manage your cash more effectively. This will help you identify any potential issues early on. By regularly reviewing your financial statements, you can spot red flags before they become major problems. Whether it's a sudden drop in revenue, an increase in expenses, or a cash flow issue, early detection can give you the time you need to address the problem and find a solution. Make informed decisions about pricing and expenses. Your financial data can provide valuable insights into your pricing strategy, helping you determine whether your prices are too high or too low. By analyzing your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut costs and improve your profitability. Making data-driven decisions can help you optimize your pricing and expense management, ensuring that your business remains competitive and profitable, and ensure your business stays on track for long-term profitability. By mastering your finances and staying on top of your accounting, you can set your business up for long-term success. Financial management is an ongoing process, and by making it a priority, you can ensure that your business remains financially healthy and poised for growth. Celebrate your successes, learn from your challenges, and continue to refine your financial strategies to achieve your business goals. Section 5. Building your brand, a beacon for your customers. Your brand is much more than just a logo or a name. It's the heart and soul of your business. It's the feeling that customers have when they interact with your products, services, and overall company image. A strong brand communicates your values, differentiates you from competitors, and builds trust with your target audience. Start by choosing a memorable and relevant business name that reflects your offerings. Design a visually appealing logo that captures the essence of your brand. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Create a professional website that showcases your products or services, provides valuable information, and makes it easy for customers to contact you. Establish a presence on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out.